Northern Boulevard Collision specializes in expert body repair to restore your vehicle's appearance and structural integrity. We provide detailed repair estimates, so you know exactly what to expect before any work begins. From bumper to bumper, paintwork to precision details, we fix it all. That we use advanced repair technology to ensure every repair is precise, efficient, and up to factory standards. Your vehicle deserves cutting-edge care. Stop by for expert care and fast turnaround.